Hi, this is Andy Barclay with REMAX Elite, and today I'm coming to you from one of our beautiful new listings. This is a condominium located at the Sandprint condominium in Cocoa Beach, Florida. It is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo that's just under 1,200 square feet, and as you may be able to see behind me, it has been completely redone over the last few years, quite literally from floor to ceiling. We have new carpet, new tile, new baseboards. Up high we have new ceiling texture. We have new ceilings, new walls, new impact-rated windows, new cabinets, new counters, new paint, you name it, it's been done here. It was even professionally decorated, so it shows very well, and I think you would really enjoy checking it out if you're in the market for something like that. And if you're not, the purpose of this video is actually not to tell you about this new listing, even as beautiful as it is. It's actually to answer a question that Abby and I get all the time, and that is, how is the market? People stop us all the time and want to know if it's soft, is it strong, are things selling, are things just sitting on the market, are prices going up, are prices going down? And I thought one of the best ways to answer that question for everybody out there is to come to you with some of our MLS statistics. Our local board puts out monthly numbers, and I thought it might be interesting to share some of those with you. So without further ado, let me get my information and we'll go over some of what's been happening in the market over the last year. So now that I have my numbers in hand, I can tell you that the new pending sales are up 11.9% from last year, and the new listings are up 15%, which is good because our inventory is still about a 3-month supply, which is lower than usual. An interesting number, I think, is that the median sales price from February 2015 to February 2016 is at 17.9%. So they have gone up 17.9% year over year, which is a huge increase. People ask me, do I think that prices are going to continue going up like that? I don't have a crystal ball. I think there's definitely still room for growth because we have so much growth in Melbourne and at the port, but 18% year over year is pretty huge. I'd be surprised if we saw that going from this month to a year forward, but I don't have a crystal ball and you never know. Interestingly, the foreclosure sales are down about 40%, so there are fewer foreclosures. And really interesting is the short sale closings are down 67%. A few years ago, there were short sales all over the place. These days, they're much harder to find, few and far between, quite frankly. And if you're a home buyer, that's not really great news. I have to say, though, for home sellers, I think it's great news that it seems to be that there are fewer people upside down in their homes because, quite honestly, that's a terrible situation for someone to be in. And if there are fewer of those situations, even if it makes it a little harder for home buyers, I think overall that's good for everyone. So those are the single-family home statistics. Now let me get the townhouse and condo numbers for you, and I'll be right back. And just like that, I now have my condo and townhouse numbers for you. They're basically the same type of statistics, just different numbers. The new pending sales for condos and townhouses are up 8.2%, which is a little bit less than the single-family homes. And the new listings are up 6.8%, which is definitely lower than single-family homes. The median sales price for condos is up 7.7%. So that's about 10% less than the single-family homes, but still an 8% gain over the last year is pretty significant, so that's good if you're an owner. Not so good if you're a buyer, but hopefully if you're looking to buy one, you'll find one you like soon before the prices continue to go up. And then just going to a couple numbers that I shared with the single-family homes, the foreclosures for condos are down 31%. And the short sales are down 75%. So they are way down, which I said just a minute ago, I think in the big picture of things is a great thing because it means fewer people are upside down in their homes. And, nobody wants somebody to be upside down in their home. It makes it harder to buy something, but I'm happy to say that it seems like fewer people are in financial trouble with their properties. So hopefully these numbers are as interesting to you as they are to me. I live and breathe real estate. If you know me, it's pretty much all I do. It's all I talk about. It's all Abby and I talk about. And I find these numbers fascinating. In fact, I run my own numbers, but since these are public statistics, I figured I'd share these with you. If you ever have questions about the market, if you're just wondering how things are going, if you're wondering how much your home might be worth, really anything, feel free to get in touch with us. My contact information is up here or off to the side, somewhere like that. We're always easy to reach. You can call us, you can text us, you can email us, whatever works best for you. I will try to bring these to you every month going forward. I'm just venturing into this whole video thing, so hopefully you found it enjoyable, and I thank you for watching.